Alright, back again with another video. You know who it is, Mr. Elwood Video. Alright, check what I'm doing on the grill. You see what it is. Boy, you can do everything on this stuff. So check it out, y'all. Doing bacon and eggs on the Pryor Grill. Y'all need to check it out, man. If y'all ain't got one, you need to get one. This is so convenient if you have a family and everything. You ain't got to cook on the stove or nothing. All right, y'all, check it out. This is breakfast for the morning. Yes, check it out. Yeah, see what I got in there? You see what I got in there? Yeah, that's breakfast for the morning, I'm telling you. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Hit the notification button so you can see more videos like this. All right, alright, y'all. I'm getting ready to throw down. You know what time it is. I gotta go. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Tell your parents, your mother, your brother, your sister-in-law, your cousin, your aunt, boo, whoever. Alright, I gotta go. It's time to throw down. Alright, peace out, everybody. Have a good day. I'm out. Oh, alright, y'all. I'm back. I just had to show y'all how I look on the plate. See how I got it all set up, the spread set up. Check the spread out, y'all. Oh yeah, I had to show that last pretty result. Look at the egg. Power XL grill. I'm telling you, look at the egg, how the egg came out. See it? Got a close view, nice and brown. Oh yes, look beautiful, don't it? Everything look good. Check it out. Everything. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So you know what time it is. It's time to throw down. I got to get off here. Later.